thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel today. Today we are unboxing my October box for the premium box for Boxycharm. This box has now gone up to $39.99 per month. I think we're all seeing cost increase all across the place. I'm not even going to bother to complain. It is what it is. Either you want the box, you don't want the box, whatever. But I got this box. So at the end of the month of October, the box price does go up for Boxycharm Premium. So it's an unfortunate thing. I'm going to get right into this, but I would like to stop and thank any new viewers who are watching my channel. Thank you and you're welcome. I'm glad that you're checking me out today. I do unboxings of different subscriptions as well as makeup and shopping hauls, so stay tuned and turn your notifications on and like and subscribe and keep up with your girl and her unboxings. So we're going to get right into this thing here today, guys. We ain't wasting no time. So as you can see from the inside, when you open it up, the blue is the premium. The box comes very well packaged. So as you can see, they have the foam inside. This is what my box looks like when I first open her up. And this month's theme, guys, based on our little card here, our information card says that this month's theme is called Spellbound. And information is normally on the back of your card in regards to what products you have and what their uses are on your card. And inside they do have information about pop-ups and the dates, drop shop beauty and stuff like that to look out for in the upcoming weeks. So we're going to get right into this thing. And the first product that I pull out, quite surprising. So I have Patrick Starr's eyeshadow palette right out the gate. I do have one of his other palettes. I forgot the name of that one. But I do like the colors that he generally has in this palette. So guys, this palette is One Size is the name of this one. It's Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. And its retail cost is $42. So this palette is basically created with Patrick Starr's favorite colors. It features everyday mattes, pigments, shimmer shades, the Visionary eyeshadow, including yummy neutrals and bold pops of color. He definitely does bring the color in his palettes if you have not used them or seen them before. So I'm going to open this thing right on up. Wow, so this is how it comes out the box. And I like that it's like uneven. So you got one end this way and then you kind of open it up, and this is how it looks on the inside. And you do have a mirror, as you guys just saw. And these are some pretty neutral fall colors, I must say. I think these are definitely colors you can get like a lot of use out of in the fall. You have your bronze looking colors, golds, the greens. I think these will create some really amazing looks in the fall. So I can't wait to try this palette out and use it. I'm going to swatch just a few. I'm not going to do them all, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of what to expect in this palette. So let's swatch. They look really gorgeous on my hands. I can't wait to play in these, and look how much pigment is on my fingertips from using them. So this is going to be a really great palette to really have a lot of fun with, and I can't wait. But guys, if you haven't checked out this palette, please do. I think this is like a really good palette with the colors and everything for fall. Can't wait to put this on my list of products to try out for the next time I do an unboxing. I might use this one. So that is our first product. Right out the back was my eyeshadow. So the next product that we have, I did pick this. This was one of my selections, and it's the 111 Skin, and I got the Essence Toner. So this is an antioxidant essence. Basically, this is a full-size product, as you can see. I'm going to take it out the packaging so you guys can check it out. Check it out. Now, you know that the 111 Skin basically is very expensive. So the fact that I got it in a box makes me very happy. So basically this is an energizing essence that contains a combination of revitalizing ingredients which energize and hydrate to reveal a radiant and refreshed skin. So I can't wait to use this. and put this in. I've used a few of the other 1-1 skin products and they really work really well. This product, guys, has a retail value of $100. $100. So I'm so glad it's in my box because I would never pay $100 for anything. Especially just an essence, not even like your moisturizer and the essence, just the essence. No. So I'm very happy it's in my box. Okay, so we're moving on. I know. What the hell is this? Okay, so I got this. It's Dew of the Gods. Under eye volumizing collagen paste. It looks like a Band-Aid box. I've never seen anything come. It looks like one of those old school Band-Aid boxes, like from back in the late 70s, the early 80s. Used to get the Band-Aids and they would be in these little metal boxes. Oh my God. All right, I'm showing my age. You didn't hear that. I've never seen anything come quite packaged like this. Very interesting. Very strange. Okay, so this product here, it is valued at $20, and it says, why inject when you can object to dull, tired eyes with this powerhouse bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, revitalize your look. It's like an iced coffee for the soul. 30 minutes of bliss. Ooh, the advertising company had a great time writing this stuff. Each filler pad is blessed with a Zen Buddhist monk to inspire the power of gratitude. What are you thankful for? Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of wording there. You get quite a few pads in here. Does it say on the back how many come in here? It's quite a few, guys. Look at this. So you're not getting like one or two, and it does have like a little card in here. And basically I guess this is maybe another product. Loving Dew, we got an exclusive promo, so they give you a coupon card to check out some of their other products. But yeah, there's quite a few in here. So all right, I'll add that to my sheet mask routine and put these underneath for my eyes. I think that'll be awesome to try out. So $20, not bad for these under eye pads by Dew of the Gods. So that's cool. Our next thing that I'm going to pull out in here is LYS. Ooh, so this is the matte bronzer, and I believe this was the second product that I got to pick for this box. So what color is this? Does it say? Okay, so the color I have is a deep color, and it's Worthy is the name of the color, which they have right on the side of the product. And I do like bronzers. So this product here, which is the No Limits matte bronzer, has a retail value for $18. So I think that's very reasonable. That is something you can definitely repurchase if you're happy. And it comes with a mirror. I'm going to flip it down so you guys can really see the colors. I think this will be a great bronzer for me. It is perfectly in a deep color that I can use. So it makes me very happy. Let me take a quick swatch so I can kind of show you guys. So as you can see on my finger, pretty deep. And I'm just going to put it on my hand. And that way you guys can see like what it looks like on my skin. But I think this would be nice to use. Very pretty. So I can't wait to try this out in my makeup routine. So we're going to go right on to our next product that's in this box. I have two things left. Okay. So I always love when I get Fenty. So I got a Fenty product. Very happy. So I have a Kilowatt Foil. This is a freestyle highlighter. This has a value of $36, guys. The color that I have is called Ruby Riches, which is located on the top of the box here. We're going to pop this right on out. And this is according to our information sheet here, a little card. It says Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter is a weightless long wear cream powder hybrid with a hyper metallic finish. The colorful range of rude defying shades is designed for all makeup skin tones to have a little pop. So guys, this highlighter came out so good on my skin. I do believe I'm probably going to use it just like a blush. And if I'm going to highlight anywhere else, I'll probably use a very light hand, or maybe tap off some of my excess and kind of lightly put it on my face, because this definitely will have a pop. But I don't think it's anything to be afraid of. And you can also use this like an eyeshadow color as well. So don't just limit yourself to thinking you have to use it as just a highlighter. But if you got this color, I really think this is beautiful. And you can use it a couple of different ways. Just be a little creative. But I'm very happy with this color. It's very beautiful. And we have one more thing in here, guys. And we're going to be done. So the next product that I have is a Tarte Man Eater Plumping Lip Gloss. Oh wow. So this lip gloss has a value of $19. That's very good. So this plumping gloss is a visible plumping looking lips. It rewind. Apply Tarte Man Eater Plumping Gloss for visible plumper looking lips. Okay, sis can talk today. The nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration and shine, while the Volume Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips in just one swipe. I like the color. I really don't need my lips to be plumped. I think they're in a pretty good, decent shape, but I will try this. I will not let the fact that it's a lip plumper scare me off. But I like my lips as they currently are. They don't need to be plumped up much more. But okay, so the color that they sent me is mauve. And let's pop this out. Okay, so this is how it looks outside of its packaging. It should work. I was thinking I would use this with like a nice, oh, it's a pretty nice color too. I was going to use this with maybe a lip liner and a little bit of this for like a nudie lip. But I think this will be nice. I like the color. It's fun. A little change up. Still a little bit light, but I like to play with stuff like this. So anything that's light and it goes on sheer, I'll be pretty happy with. Let me see what it looks like now. Hold on. Let's try her out a little bit. I'll just put her right over top of my other one. Let's see. Feels fine as a lip gloss. Doesn't feel too sticky or anything. So yeah, I'll definitely use it. So in review, guys, let's hit it from the top. So I have the Man Eater Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. And I'm sorry, I got all these prints all over my LYS bronzer already. And we have some under eye collagen pads. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop real quick just to tell you, this Man Eater lip plumping stuff, it has a little kick to it. It feels like there's a little sensation of like your lips feel like a little bit of heat. So if you haven't used this, be prepared. But I do feel a little tingling sensation of like a little bit of heat on my lips. So you are fair warned. And we also have our Fenty Kilowatt, and I have my Essence, and I also have my Patrick Star palette. I would say that my box is uber makeup heavy this time, which is great. I think this was a absolutely great box. I'm opting to keep getting the premium, and I'll be here to show it to you guys. So keep looking forward to other videos with the premium featuring it, and I am biting the bullet and paying for it. But so you guys let me know what you thought about my box. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you liked it, or you know, if you got something different in your box. But guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my next unboxing. Stay beautiful, darlings. Bye.